This question says, find the values of P, Q, and R if 1 over root 5 plus 1 over root 5 minus 1 is equal to P plus Q root R. Now, without wasting much time, what we need to do is to rationalize the surd on the left-hand side of the equation and then compare it with the variables on the right-hand side. So now, when we rationalize this, we are going to have 1 over root 5 times root 5 over root 5. Then plus, when we rationalize this, we are going to have 1 over root 5 minus 1. Then we are going to multiply it by the conjugate of the divisor. And the conjugate of root 5 minus 1 is root 5 plus 1. So we are going to have root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1. Then we now compare it with P plus Q root R. Okay, now 1 times root 5 will give us root 5. And root 5 times root 5 will give us 5. Then plus 1 times this will give us root 5 plus 1 divided by, now when we expand this bracket, we are going to have root 5 times root 5 will give us 5. Then root 5 times 1 will give us plus root 5. Then minus 1 times root 5 will give us minus root 5. And then minus 1 times 1 will give us minus 1. Then we compare it with P plus Q root R. Okay, so now we're going to have root 5 over 5 plus root 5 plus 1 over, now root 5 minus root 5 is equal to 0. So they will cancel each other. Now 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So now this is equal to P plus Q root R. So now when we take the LCM on the left-hand side of the equation, the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So we're going to have 20, then we have this. 5 into 20 is 4. 4 times root 5 will give us 4 root 5. Plus 4 into 20 is 5. 5 times root 5 plus 1 will give us 5 into root 5 plus 1. Then this is equal to P plus Q root R. Okay, now this is the same thing as 4 root 5 plus, use this 5 to multiply through. Now 5 times root 5 will give us 5 root 5 plus 5 times 1 is 5 divided by 20 is equal to P plus Q root R. Okay, now 4 root 5 plus 5 root 5 will give us 9 root 5. Now 9 root 5 plus 5 will give us 5 plus 9 root 5 divided by 20 is equal to P plus Q root R. Okay, now here we are going to carry out the distributive law of division. That law says that A plus B over C is the same thing as A over C plus B over C. So we're going to carry out the same law here. So this is 5 over 20 plus 9 over 20 root 5 is equal to P plus Q root R. Okay, now it's very clear that 5 can divide 20. So 5 over 20 is the same thing as 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 plus, now 9 cannot divide 20. We put it down, 9 over 20 root 5 is equal to P plus Q root R. So when we compare the variables on the left-hand side and the right-hand side, we are going to have 1 over 4 is equal to P, 9 over 20 is equal to Q, and 5 is equal to R. Therefore, we conclude by saying that P is equal to 1 over 4, Q is equal to 9 over 20, and R is equal to 5. And this is the solution to this problem. Thank you very much for your audience.